Hi guys, I'm Yuvan from the team Prefrontal Cortex, and this is the prototype explanation for the SAH topic that we have selected, which is developing a software-based business model that collects and utilizes waste materials such as plastic, ceramics, wood, and finally utilizes it. Now, our business model is basically an interacting system between two parties, and that is how we have divided it into two parts. The first part of our business model is a B2B type of business model, which is basically a business to business type of business model, which connects a waste producing company to a waste recycling company. And the other part is a B2C type of business model in which we directly connect ourselves to the household general public users. Now, the clients of our business are basically the waste producing company, the waste recycling company, and then the general public. Now, let's say for the instance, I am a waste recycling company and I have registered myself in our website, and and I log in into our website. The first page of your the first page after you log in is your home page. This mainly consists of two parts, two sections. The one of them is the ongoing deals tab, and the other one is buy a product. Let's see more on the ongoing deals tab after we buy an actual product from the company that we want to make a deal with. Now I'm clicking on buy a product button, and this takes me to the page in which I have X types of products. Let's say ceramic, plastics, wood, polythene, etc. Glass too. Now, now here you have to choose the type of materials you are recycling. In my case, I am said to be recycling a plastic material, and this page shows me the list of all companies that primarily produce plastic as their waste product, be PepsiCo or CG Foods. And this is where we'll also be providing the ratings along with these lists of companies. These ratings are provided by regular checks on the waste materials produced by the company. And just as an example, we have taken these three primary companies. Now, say I want to make a deal with PepsiCo. I go to buy PepsiCo, buy products from PepsiCo, and this is our shopping cart, the final shopping cart. And here I am provided with an MOQ based a shopping cart. The main reason we opted for a MOQ based shopping cart is for a better user experience, so that the user buys the correct amount for the correct price as per the company requirements. Now here you can set the quantity of the type of material you are buying, and the period of time based upon the subscription amount that you'll be giving to our company, because ours is a business model. You can subscribe and buy the products. Now, after you subscribe, you can go back to your home page where the deal you've made right now gets added to the ongoing deals tab, and this is where you can click on the track option to view the details of the deal you made. And this also has a track shipment option in which you'll be showing the live location of where your order is right now and where it is being transported from the waste producing company. You can also see the payment details and the other details such as when and on what type of waste materials you have been making deals with. Now, this is basically one part of our business model, which is a B2B type of business model. Now, going to the other part in which we can directly connect ourselves. Yeah, like I was saying, the second part of our business model, we can directly connect to household users, and we can recycle waste from them, and we can also motivate them to recycle waste. And for that, in our home page, we you have to click on I'm a household user button, and this takes to your personal dashboard. And before explaining the components of the website now, I would like to explain how this second part, direct to consumer policy, works. For this, we'll be making deals with beverage companies. For example, let's take Coke. We make a deal with Coke in such a way that they have to print our company's QR code on their bottle's label. So whenever a consumer buys the bottle, he or she has to scan it using our app. Right now, it is a website. We are developing an app right now. He or she has to scan the QR code. So whenever he or she scans the QR code, the bottle, the type of drink, Coke bottle, gets added on to his inventory digitally. So let's open inventory. So every time I scan the QR code of a new bottle, uh, the quantity of the number of bottles scanned here keeps on increasing. Now it's three. The next time I scan it, it's going to be four. The consumer also has to keep hold of the bottle physically. So let's say his inventory is full and the inventory capacity is 20. So once his inventory is full, we'll be going to his house and collecting these bottles, these empty plastic bottles, in return to which we'll be providing him or her a coupon of the particular drink. So once I have collected 20 bottles of Coke and I scanned them, I will be provided with the coupon for a Coke drink. In return to the 20 bottles of plastic Coke, I will be giving the company, which is Binwise. So So basically, this policy brings sustainable development to the environment, uh, the our company as well as the beverage company. To our company, we are directly connecting ourselves to general public, and to the beverage company. Obviously, their market sales will increase. How is that when a consumer goes to a shop and he has to choose between two bottles, one of them with our QR code and another one without the QR code. Obviously, he's going to choose the one with our QR code because once he completes scanning 20 bottles, he will be provided with another coupon so he can buy another drink. In that case, the sales margin of this particular beverage company will increase. So there will be some amount of money or revenue that will be given to us from these beverage companies. And from an environmental point of view, plastic materials obviously getting recycled, and that reduces plastic pressure on the environment. And the other two components in this dashboard are the total money earned, which is basically the total number of coupons I've earned. And next is show recycling stats. This basically shows the number of plastic bottles or the weight of the plastic bottles, total weight of plastic bottles I have helped to recycle. And yeah, so that is the second part of our business model. So I've explained the prototype of our business model, and the prototype status now is we've completed 75% of our prototype, and we have 25% more, which is basically the backend stuff. We are working on it, and we'll be completing it within 7 to 10 days. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, and hope you'll consider selecting us.